Hi, my Artfilicious. Welcome to day 6 of our Train and Shine series. Today, I'll learn about automation and deployment. We'll explore how to connect your trained assistant to creative workflows, content scheduling, and even your social media tasks. At the end of this class, you'll know how to correct and assign tasks so your assistant can post, write, and create like a pro.
Day 6, automation and deployment. We'll ask ChatGPT to do things for us repeatedly. Every Monday, I want you to generate content for my social media platform with captures, descriptions, and hashtags using hook, story, and call to action. Already, ChatGPT know my style, everything. So I don't even need to start afresh to tell it my style or whatever. It has updated the saved memory. So every Monday, ChatGPT will drop content for me. My duty is just for me to come. Anytime I open ChatGPT, then I look at it. Okay, you've generated this. I will check and do what? Just restructure it the way I like. So that is just automation. Then if the ChatGPT generate the content for you, like me now, I just said every Monday here because I'm teaching you, but ChatGPT knows that Monday to Sunday to Monday, it should generate this in content for me. Then I look at it, I see it, then I copy it to my whiskey, then type whatever ChatGPT gives me. It generates the content for me. If I want like image or this thing, whatever, then I tell it to it. Then from here, I also do my video generation, everything for my social media content. That is automation. Thank you.